Okay, for this question, look at this one. The diagram above shows a velocity time graph. So anytime you see VT here, it means velocity time graph. So the diagram above shows a velocity time graph, full stop. The statement that is true about this motion is that the car A has a constant speed between point E and F. Now look at point E and F. Do you see is a straight line? So now let's analyze some things here before we choose answer. Now for a velocity time graph, velocity meter per second, time in second. Now if a line should start from rest here, that means it's starting from rest, and accelerate, meaning acceleration means it's going up, then move with a uniform speed. So this straight line is a uniform speed, so it will move with a uniform speed. When you now see this one that come down, it means it comes to rest. So again, so if you see a line that goes up this way, so if you see a line that goes up this way, it means acceleration. If you see a line that goes this way, it means constant velocity or constant speed. If you see a line that goes this way, that means it's deceleration. That means it's coming to rest. So that is deceleration. Now another thing is that under your, if you have a velocity time graph, here is acceleration because it's going up, here is constant velocity because it's going straight, and here is deceleration. Now from here to here is constant speed or constant velocity because it's a straight line. So now under this constant speed like this, that is from here to here, acceleration is 0, meaning under a constant speed there is no acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is changing velocity over changing time. So that is v minus u over t. So if you have this changing velocity over changing time, that means its velocity is constant. Let's say final velocity is 20, initial velocity is 20, let's say time is 10, then a will be 0 over 10. A will be 0. That means if velocity is constant, acceleration will be 0. So that means under the straight line there is no acceleration. Take note. And when it's going up is acceleration, when it's coming down is deceleration. Now let us see the options one by one. So the A part now. The A has a constant speed between points E and F. Now point E and F goes this way. So point E and F goes this way straight. Now and any line that goes up, that means this is acceleration. So that means the body accelerates. So E and F cannot be constant speed. So this option is not right. Now if you start from here, that means you can say the object starts from rest because it's starting from origin and accelerates. But here it does not start from origin, it's starting from here. That means it's starting from a certain velocity. So that means it's not starting from rest. So a body accelerates with a certain velocity. That is the meaning of that one. So according to this, so A cannot be the answer because it is not constant speed, but we can say it is a constant acceleration because it's going up, it accelerates. Now let's see B. Decelerate between point F and H. So say F, say H. There is no line of deceleration there. So assume we have a line that goes from here to here. That means we can say it's decelerating from F to H, but there is no line there, so it cannot decelerate from F to H. So if there is line here, I will have choose that. Because there is no line, so it's not decelerating from F to H. Now this is where deceleration occurs because it's coming down this way. Yeah, so that means deceleration is from G to H, acceleration is from E to F. You will see this one is going up while this one is coming down. So that is acceleration and deceleration. So that means B is not correct. So it's not decelerating between points F and H, so it's wrong. Now C accelerates between point F and G. Now point F and G, do you see that is a straight line? And what do I say about a straight line? That means it's moving with constant velocity. So that means that F and G is moving with constant velocity. So it is not accelerate. Now D has no acceleration between point F and G. Good. So because this is moving with constant velocity, that means under this constant velocity, acceleration is 0. There is no acceleration. So the correct answer is D. So it does not have it has no acceleration between point F and G, which is correct. So between these points F and G, A equals to 0. So the correct option is D. So like that.